In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use a Comerica ATM. Well, I'm not on the physical ATM at the moment, but I'm just going to simply go ahead and guide you through it. So first things first, find a Comerica branch or a MoneyPass network ATM to avoid fees. Second, all you need to do is simply insert your card right over here where you see the card option, and then you can simply go ahead and enter it into the slot with the chip facing up or the magnetic stripe down, as you can see. Then all you need to do is enter your 4-digit personal identification number covering the pad, and then finally choose withdrawal, or you could also choose balance inquiry or transfer. Then you can simply go ahead and enter the amount, and then once you do that, confirm with your password, remove your cash, receipt, and card promptly, and that is it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.